How to flirt with a woman without being creepy. One of the most common fears of men when it comes to approaching women is the sick feeling of being rejected. Or even worse, the fear of being looked at as creepy. So if you are one of the guys who keep wondering how to flirt with girls without being creepy and getting rejected, continue to watch this video, because we have just a thing or two for you. 1. Approach the girl immediately. Instead of hanging around or stalking them without approaching, it would be better if you approach the girl immediately. Trust me, just lurking around will give her the creepy vibe, and will turn her off even before you have the chance to say hello. 2. Approach her with confidence. Girls find confident men more attractive compared to those who aren't. However, make sure that you don't come off too strong either. So how do you do this? Aside from approaching the girl right away, keep your head up and walk confidently. Say hi when you approach. Compliment her if you must, but don't lie. In other words, don't make up something to compliment her on. Be honest. 3. Smile at her. Smiling sends off a warm, friendly vibe when you do it right. Smile with your whole face, broadly and with your eyes. You can practice your smile now and then in front of the mirror to see how you look. Moreover, this simple action can also show that you are confident and easy to talk to. 4. Keep the conversations light. I know you're dying to know where she lives and other personal information. However, if you just met her, try to slow down and keep conversations light at first. It is a plus if you can make her laugh and keep her relaxed, because it will create a positive image of you in her mind. 5. Give her sincere compliments. Again, when you approach a girl, she already knows that you find her attractive. Otherwise, you wouldn't be talking to her in the first place. With that, give her sincere compliments as you talk to her. Girls like it when you go beyond their physical appearance or what she's wearing, because it shows them that you are interested about who she is as a person, rather than merely the superficial aspects that fade over time. Every girl is different. What's annoying and creepy for some may not yield the same reaction from other girls. These tips are just some of the most basic tips that anybody can use. They are a simple and straightforward guide. In the end, however, it is up to you to devise a strategy on how you can flirt with women and get them to date you. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.